How to log in Canva account on phone. Hey everybody, welcome back to our official help desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get logged into your Canva account from your phone. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Head over to any of your web browser. If you have Canva app on your device, you can simply go ahead and open it. For today's video, we'll just continue with the web browser. At the top search bar, type in canva.com, then you will see this page. Then tap on login on your top right. At this section, if your Canva account is connected with your Google account, then tap on continue with Google. If your Canva account is connected with Facebook, then tap on continue with Facebook and so on. Then here it will display all the Google accounts that you have in your device. Choose the one that is associated with your Canva account. And just like so, this is how you get logged into your Canva account. If you tap on 3-bar icon on your top left, it will show you all the menu, and from here you can view your account. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.